Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my video. Today I wanna make different video because usually I'm making video about vlogging as student like me, or sharing my daily activity. So I'm just sharing my lesson with you everyone at my lesson at Polytechnic Eden as network engineer. So right now I wanna share tutorial video about BGP implementation. I'm here wanna create video about this. I'm here create BGP implement with three different autonomy system with using PNetLab. So I don't wanna talk too long. Let's check into the video. I'm here have topology like this. At the left side, this is Google network with AS3000 with his server, and the middle I have the SP in the name BizNet with AS2000. At the right side my local network, Eden network with AS100. So I have to open this all. I start from local Eden like this and waiting to design, and not local SP, router SP. Next, Google SP, Google network. I start all like this. So one of thing start from this. Hello, this is login normally with using PNetLab. Admin, enter. This is CTRL-C. Yes. You can change the host name with this system identity set name. Then because I have changed this, the host name not change. Okay, and next step I add IP address And the shortcuts, you can click tab like this. IP, this is HD, you can click tab. The shortcuts like this, and you can add the address. Okay, you can, for step 1, adding IP address for everything from here, and start from router local, router then IP address. This is 10.0.0.2/30 interface ether 1. This is for interface ether 1. You can see this is interface ether 1. Enter. For interface ether 2, for the server, I'm at 10.1.1.1/30 interface ether 2, and like this. After from router, then I'm going to router transit, router BizNet. Login. This is skip, and we can add hostname, set name, signed T for transit BizNet. Enter. And if you can click enter, you can playing this like this, and enter, and we can add IP address for interface ether 1, 10.0.0.5/30 interface ether 1. You can, for interface ether 2, 10.0.0.0.1 IP address print. You can see this is ether 1 going to inside, ether 2 going to outside. This is ether 1, interface ether 1. This is interface ether 2. Okay, next I'm going to router Google, login. Now I'm at hostname, identity set name, Google, and next I think Google and Google is the same. Not bad. Yes, this is. I'm at next at IP address for interface ether 1, 10.0.0.6/30 interface ether 1. For interface ether 2, I'm using 8.8.8.1/24 IP address print. You can see this is ether 1, ether 2. This is for ether 1, this is for ether 2, and I'm at for server, at IP for the server, IP 8.8.8.8/24, and the gateway 8.8.8.1. This is for IP, and this is for gateway. You can see, and save. Okay, going to server ident IP 10.1.1.2/20/30, and the gateway 10.1.1.1, like this. Enter and save. And for the verification, you can ping from server to router to gateway, ping 10.1.1.1, enter. You can see is successful, and you can ping from the router to server, ping 10.1.1.2. You can see this is starting. And for the server Google, you can ping for the verification, ping 8.8.8.1. This is from server to gateway router Google, and from router Google to server, ping 8.8.8.8, enter, successful. Okay, for the next step, for step 1, you can add IP address, and after IP address, step 2, we add config for BGP implementation. For first, routing BGP instance set default AS. This is for AS, autonomous system. This is 100 for local router or IDN, and router ID 10.1.1.1. For the router ID, you can add or you cannot add everything you like. And then next, routing BGP peer, add name peer, routing BGP peer. This command for range. I'm from local AS to transit AS. Add name peer bisnet as transit, and remote address. This for address ether 2 interface ether 2 from router ESP 10.0.0.1. And for your information, for remote address without using prefix, you can see without prefix, remote AS this is 200. I'm sorry guys if I'm explain with fasting because my battery is low. I think this is enough for this configuration. And next, routing BGP network, add network. We can for network we can advertise this server, advertise 10.1.1.2 no 1.1.0 10.1.1.0 yes /30 enter, and we can check routing BGP instance print. You can see already have here routing BGP peer print. This is remote address ESP router or BizNet, and routing BGP network print. This is network from the server, advertise server, and go to BizNet routing BGP instance set default AS 200 router ID 10.1.1.2 enter, routing BGP peer. We can add peer for two-site area, two-site AS for local and for Google. Routing BGP peer, add name peer IDN okay, remote address. For remote address, this interface this from BizNet going out, go to inside, from outside to inside, you know, interface inside, from Ether 2 going to Ether 1, from outside to inside. 10.0.0.2 without prefix, remote AS 100 as local AS. For the Google, remote AS 300, remote address 10.0.0.6, because this is going to inside from outside, from Ether 1 to Ether 1. This inside, this going to inside, from this to this. Yeah, I think you can practice this. And for the verification routing BGP instance print, you can see this is router ID BizNet and routing BGP peer print, remote AS local and remote AS Google. And for BizNet, we can advertise any server because BizNet don't have server. And for Google, routing BGP instance set default AS 300 enter, routing BGP peer, add name, and we add transit area peer BizNet enter. Remote address you can add 10.0.0.5 remote AS kacamata S 200, enter. Routing BGP network, add network, advertise this server 8.8.8.8/24, enter. Wait, routing BGP network, add network, eight point eight point eight point zero. I have mistake, sorry, enter. Routing BGP instance print, you can see. Oh yes, I forgot the router ID. Routing BGP instance set router ID 10.1.1.3. oh shit man, number 0. We check routing BGP instance print already have routing BGP peer print, you can see. And for design, the sign is flag A or establish. This is design as you can success to config this routing BGP network print. Okay, you can see. And for the verification, you can see from router IDN, IP, route, where IP route, print, where BGP, enter. You can see from then this IP has already has advertised. Okay, sorry guys, I have to plug in. Wait a minute. Okay everyone, we next two step. We next this lesson. I am say sorry for you guys. And you can see the network has advertised from Google, and we can verification from Google, IP, route, print, where BGP, enter. And at this same like this, because the network from the server has advertised. And for verification, you can ping from server to server. From Google, ping 10.1.1.2, enter. You can see. this has already success, and from server then you can ping 8.8.8.8, enter. You can see at the same time we have already configuration the BGP with three different autonomy system, and I think this is enough from me. So you guys, you can save the step by step. For one, you can add IP address, and step 2, add for BGP instance, BGP peering, and BGP network. You can save and practice this for your lesson, guys. So I think this enough for me. I'm say very thank you for you everything. So